How to unlock your Facebook profile. Hey everyone! In this video tutorial, we're showing you how to unlock your Facebook profile. You decide you want to unlock your Facebook profile and open things back up. So to unlock your Facebook profile, first open the Facebook app on your phone. Tap on your profile picture in the top right corner. Scroll down and tap Settings and Privacy. Then tap Settings. Scroll down and look for the Audience and Visibility section. Here we want to customize who can see your stuff. Under Audience and Visibility, tap on Followers and Public Content. Now go through each option and change the audience to public or a more private setting depending on your comfort level. Once you're done, go back to Privacy Settings, then select Profile and Tagging. Here you can review things like who can see your post you're tagged in and who can post on your timeline. Make any adjustments you feel are necessary. All right, with those settings tightened up, let's unlock down your profile. Go back to Privacy Settings. Finally, select Profile Locking and then tap Unlock icon. And then confirm by tapping Unlock your profile. Your profile is now unlocked, and anyone can see your public information and posts again. Remember, unlocking your profile doesn't change your other privacy settings. You might want to revisit those settings to make sure they're aligned with your current preferences. By following these steps, you've unlocked your Facebook profile and regained control of who sees your content. And this is how to unlock your Facebook profile. If you have any questions about unlocking your Facebook profile, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.